Hey guys, for July's swing crawl knee core, we're just doing a hollow arch kip using a ring. So you can set them up at a height just like for the side flexion this month, where your feet aren't touching. It's nice, so you get that nice long body. If you don't have something that high, just curl the legs. So from here, if I was curled, I'd just do the same thing, hollow arch, and speed that up. Because I've got it nice and high, I can really elongate. Really feel that chain working on both sides through that dish, staying in that dead position in the shoulder so I can condition the connective tissue and the tissues in that position, so I get a nicer hollow arch in the handstand, and then also feeling that whole chain through the front, whole chain through the back, and oscillating. So you should be able to stop dead at any point because you're always alternating. You're not swinging like the swing one where you're going forward and back. This one you're staying in the same spot, so that way your center of mass kind of stays centered there, even though one part of your body's moving forward and one is moving back. For the crawl, just coming down to the floor, doing a reptile crawl progression. So your basic one is just your 4-point, one hand, one leg, one hand, one leg, stabilizing the hip and the shoulder. To make it harder, take the knees off, hand, knee, like that. To make it harder, you start to get the shift and rotation. So you just step a little bit further and rotate the hips and rotate. Then you can start to come lower and add in that push up. So from there, down into a push up, step, and then step. After that, you want to try and stay low. So you're here, you're down low, in that push up, reach, and pull. So as I reach with my left hand, my right leg's going to curl around, my hips stay down, turn. When you're first learning this, you kind of drag yourself along the ground a little bit. Then as you get better, you ideally just staying just off the ground, you know, it's touching but there's no weight except for the hands and the feet. So it is a very hard exercise. From there, going into the shin sissy. So you're on the shins, and then you're just going to lean back. So from there, as I lean, the arms reach forward. Getting 1 to 3 reps, keeping a neutral spine. So not arching, not hollowing, so just getting that nice strength as I lean back. And then a kneeling hamstring. So here my butt will go back, reaching hands back so I don't fall on my face. Coming up, getting 1 to 3 reps there. Really trying to feel those hamstrings work. And then contract them, coming up. So I get another 30 seconds on each of those stations, 4. And then I'm going to do 3 rounds through for 6 minutes. Nice core, it's, you know, good fun. It's a bit more dynamic than the other ones. So it is kind of a bit more movement based, but it works well. And they're great conditioning exercises. Good fun. Enjoy.